While the yellow tier does bring more business to local stores and restaurants, it does nothing to help them out to accommodate the growing number of patrons. In fact, businesses like restaurants, they're experiencing a shortage of workers. KRON 4's Taylor Bisacki, she's live for us with more on this growing need to staff up. Taylor.
Vicki, this area of North Beach is normally packed on any given weekend. We're seeing more people come out to dine again, and that's probably because we're also seeing more vaccinations. But as business picks up here, restaurant owners say that employees, they're having to fill more roles within the restaurant. Bay Area restaurants say they're seeing business pick up once again. Here in San Francisco at California Fish Market restaurant, several tables are already taken Tuesday evening. But on the weekends, there's a larger rush.
The weekends are definitely very good, very busy. People, they feel more comfortable, be vaccinated.
With more people returning, owner Francesco Cavucci says the need for staff becomes greater.
25% low on employee. We used to have, we still need around, 18 to 25 more employees between the four restaurants.
Cavucci also owns Barbara Pizzeria in North Beach and two other restaurants in the city, where he says many of his staff are filling multiple roles.
Busboy right now is a floor manager. The server is a bartender and a food runner and a cocktail runner. So this is the main challenge right now.
Other restaurants like John's Grill near Market and Ellis Street say some of their workers left the Bay Area or left the business altogether during the pandemic.
We've called a lot of the people from our original team to ask if they'd like to come back and fill the position that opens up. We found that a lot of people have actually left San Francisco, and a lot of people are still actually a little bit hesitant given that coronavirus is still amongst us.
While it's causing a scramble for some restaurant owners, John Constant Jr. says he's been fortunate enough to bring back many of his longtime staff members and even prepare for expansion.
We are, cleaning up our second and third floor, and we're looking to slowly start bringing larger parties in.
Now, many other restaurants are also planning for expansion with that target date of June 15th. That's when the state plans to fully reopen the state and, of course, add the mix to it with San Francisco. They're also reopening bars this week with that new yellow tier status. So, as you can imagine, owners say that it's becoming more competitive to find and keep a shrinking pool of employees here. That's the latest here live in San Francisco. I'm Taylor Bisacki reporting. Back to you.